So those are the strawberries coming in, and these were the stuff that I planted in the bags. You can see some of them are growing. What's up guys? So today I have some planter bags and some planters I want to fill up. I'm gonna put all of this topsoil in here and start filling up these bags for some of my other plants, because I want to make sure the garden have enough space this year. So some stuff I'm gonna put in bags to put on the side. Let's see if I could manage to get him on camera. Yes, we have 3 chipmunks that live here. And this part of the grass is growing in. So yeah, let me get back to work now. So now everything's filled up a bit. These are the ones I'm gonna put in some of the pot. There's some tomatoes. I got some strawberries that I'm gonna put in this one. And then I'm gonna try growing some of these onions in these ones right here. So I'm gonna wait till it's a little bit cooler later on, and then I'll start repotting some of these stuff. There it is. Repotted a whole bunch, well, a few stuff. Some tomatoes, I have some garlic here, and we have some strawberry here. And then I'm just gonna put them away now in the garden, and then start planting some other stuff in the garden. So everything's all transplanted over. I got some peat moss on top. So time to go head over to the garden. Head back over to the garden, see if she comes back out and grab some peanuts. And off she goes. Just coming along. We got some tomatoes right there. And these are the ones I repotted today. Trying to utilize as much of the space as possible. So those are the strawberries coming in. And these were the stuff that I planted in the bags. You can see some of them are growing now. Have a few tomatoes here and there. This one has garlic in it. I have this one here. I have a few right here also.